Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about biology. As you can see in the title, I've mentioned Welcome to Biology Heaven. Why I name it Heaven? Because as you know, biology is about life, and I feel the more you learn about life, the more you know about heaven, the more you know about nature. So here let's move on. As we move on, here in the next slide, let me tell you that this course is suitable for the following syllabi, which is actually IGCSE, GCSE, AQA, O-Level and Checkpoint Biology. Now let's go through the syllabus outline that we are going to cover. Not to mention that I'll be covering all the essential key points and keywords that are required in these syllabi to qualify full marks. So as we move on the syllabus, characteristics of living organisms, where we will recall that living organisms share the following basic characteristics. After that, we will go to variety of living organisms, where we will understand that there is a wide variety of living organisms and that modern biology classifies organisms on the basis of their structure and how they function. Moreover, we will have the common features, where we will talk about that what are the common features shared by organisms within the 5 main groups, which are actually plants, animals, fungi, bacteria and viruses, and for each we will describe their features. Let's move on. So let's have a look on the following diagrams. This is the first one. Here you go to the other one. Do observe the changes. This one. One more. Now my question is, what are the differences between the living and non-living things on this page? Can you recall some? Very good. Let's move on. Easy way to remember 7 characteristics of living organisms. As you know, in the last slide, we saw there is a difference in living organisms and non-living organisms. And what are those bases? As you can see, the movement, isn't it? You can see the breathing, which is actually not present in non-living organisms. So there is a way to remember that. And what is that? That is Mrs. Grant. You would be wondering, oh, what is Mrs. Grant? This is actually easy way to remember 7 characteristics of living organisms. Now you might be wondering, what are those 7 characteristics? So let me take you to the next slide. Hold on. I'm going to reveal Mrs. Grant. So as you can see on the extreme left on the slide, it is highlighted in red. Mrs. Grant. M stands for movement, R for respiration, S for sensitivity, G for growth, R for reproduction, E for excretion, and N for nutrition.